Hi, I'm Denzel. I'm a young filmmaker and actor. I just finished my 11th grade and about to go to 12th. And I just finished editing my first short film here on LumaFusion. And now here are the skills on how I did that. So first, I press the corner left button, and then next to it, I press a square plus, and then where it says my project, I'm going to be putting a title of the project I'm going to be making. So now, I'm going to go to all photos and videos on top, and you can see all my photos and videos. But the videos I'm going to be dragging are videos that I recorded with my Woodrow Monroe class. We had just finished recording a musical concert, and that's what we're editing now. But yeah, you can drag as many photos and videos as you want. Now, I'll press the circle plus, and then press overlay title on the bottom, and then you can see your text here on the screen. Press plain white above the video twice, so you can edit your title. I'm gonna say music because all we recorded there was music. Now you can drag your title anywhere you want to around the video, like this, and add a color to your video. Add a color that you can see. Watch this. Edit your title for how long you want it to go for, and also edit your video itself. Now, I'm gonna add audio to the video. This is just audio that I recorded from the concert. Watch this.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I want to thank all of the people.
Finally, you press the export button on the corner right, and then press movie because it's a video project, and then choose your destination. I choose photos, and if you think your video's ready to go, export your video when you're all done. Thank you for watching.